Not November. How has it been? Did you even participate? Or were you like, nah, I'm not playing this stupid shit. And if you participated, why it's always the November that you say to yourself, I'm not gonna do that anymore? Why do you need a special occasion? Why do you need a special invitation to stop watching porn, to stop fapping? If you participated, when December started, did you come back to your previous habits? Or did you stay on that streak, let's say? I myself used to be addicted to porn and fapping. I'd fap every day. Like, it's not nice, I know. It's very, very bad for your soul and for your body. So when it comes to fapping, I know something. So how do you actually quit this addiction? I realized that it's always the chain of events that leads to you fapping. Think about it. You're scrolling on Instagram. You see an indecent photo, and then you fap. Or you're bored. An arousing thought pops into your mind, and you fap. So you must identify what is that first point in the chain. It might be scrolling on Instagram. It might be boredom. It might be scrolling on Reddit. It might be anything. Or it might be going to your bathroom with your phone. Identify that thing. And it's gonna be relatively easy for you to quit. Because think about it. If your habit is that whenever you go to the bathroom with your phone, you fap. What if you didn't take the phone with yourself? You wouldn't fap, right? So, of course, it's easier said than done. But it's easier to stop now than midway through fapping. Then you're gonna be like, oh, I'm already fapping. I'm gonna finish. No. Identify that thing. That leading cause. And just get rid of it. And whenever a thought of doing that first thing in the chain of events comes, you're gonna be like, no, I'm not doing that. It's gonna be way easier for you to stop even before you start. I also noticed that many of us escape from stress through fapping. It's our pacifier, you could say. Like, we are stressed, we had a bad day, now we are gonna watch porn and fap. No, it's not the thing that you wanna do to de-stress. It only makes everything worse. You have a spike in dopamine and then a dip. It only makes you more miserable, but we still use it as a way to escape stress, which doesn't work at all. What you could do instead is read your Bible, meditate, journal, do your work, like record on YouTube, write some scripts, watch videos such like this, listen to some music. There's so many better ways to escape from stress than fapping. Another huge thing is boredom. So many of us are bored, and out of that boredom, they're like, oh, I'm bored, I'm gonna fap. Because you didn't have your mind occupied with anything. If you had the work to do, you'd be like, no, I'm not fapping right now. I have work to do. I must do my work. And later you find yourself, it's already late and you're not gonna fap. Because you were busy. So, do something productive. Be busy. Don't find yourself bored. And I don't mean that now you should go watch all these TV shows and play video games just to not be bored. No. But have the work to do. So that whenever a thought of doing something comes, you're gonna be like, nah, I have work to do. I must do it. But when you do slip, do not ever fucking say to yourself, oh, I already slipped, I already broke my streak, so now I can do it again, and again, and again. It reminds me of my 600-pound life. When they would sleep, they would eat a little bit too much one day, and they would eat even freaking more. Because they said to themselves, oh, we already lost, so we are gonna lose even freaking more. We're gonna eat even fucking more. And then they fucking weighed 1,000 pounds. And despite the fact that they are on that show, they are not losing weight. They are gaining weight. And it's the same with fapping. If you sleep, don't hand for more food. Just say to yourself, okay, I lost, but I'm not gonna do it again. And I mentioned about losing a streak. Don't keep a streak. Because what a streak does is you wake up in the morning and you say to yourself, okay, the 4th day of my streak. It's a constant reminder that porn and fapping is there. It constantly reminds you of that tempting thing. But if you didn't keep a streak, if you didn't give a shit, you'd wake up in the morning and go on with your life. That thought wouldn't be constantly brought up to you. And if there is no thought of fapping, you're not gonna fap. So do not keep a streak. Do not escape from stress through fapping. Identify that chain of events that leads to you fapping and break that chain. If you do this, I'm telling you, in a matter of 1 week or 2, you're not gonna be addicted anymore. I mean, addiction is for life, but you're gonna escape that. So please do the points from this video. Share this video with someone who needs it. And thank you for watching. Type in comments your questions. And see you guys till next time.